Hello, my name is Chris from Hanicks Heating and Spares. This short tutorial video is briefly going to detail what a boiler data plate is and what the information displayed on it is all about. Why do we need to know what a data plate is? Well, when you will require a spare part for your boiler from Hanicks Heating and Spares, we will request the following information: the boiler GC number and the serial number of the boiler. Firstly, the data plate itself. The data plate displays all the information for your boiler. It also can be found anywhere on the outer casing, usually on the boiler. The two bits of most important bit of information are the boiler GC number and the serial number. These are examples of one we have taken from an existing boiler. Thirdly, you can also find your full model description here on your boiler data plate. Thank you for listening. We hope you found this tutorial video very helpful. Should you require any further information, please visit us at www.hanicks.co.uk or alternatively call us on 01302 279 234.